plan is imminent. The hospital is planning to set up Yuma County's first drive-through vaccination site at the Civic Center. The delay in receiving doses is the challenge. YRMC is requesting up to 5,000 Moderna vaccines, and the goal is to inoculate as many people as possible, but that is contingent on the amount of vaccines the county receives. There are 40 to 50,000 residents in phase 1B and 1C. According to the hospital, it will be beneficial once they all receive the shot.
I think there will be no limitation on our end for resource-wise, how long we have to keep the site open. The number of positive cases which are going up and up is in the phase 2 group. So that's where I think we have the most impact in the positive cases. Having said that, phase 1B and C are at risk of hospitalization.
To be clear, YRMC is not currently vaccinating locals at the hospital, but as far as vaccinating the hospital staff, around 1,800 employees have received the vaccine. There are more than 2,100 staff members, though 300 have declined. And again, as the county waits for more vaccines, Sunset Health is administering the last of their current supply. News 11's Arlette Youssef with more.
With limited COVID vaccines on hand, Sunset Health has already allocated what's left to patients with previously scheduled appointments. Patients in the 1A and 1B phase who already have an appointment scheduled do have the vaccine set aside for them, but more vaccines are needed in order to schedule future appointments.
Yuma County is completely out, with the exception of what we have here at Sunset. So there certainly needs to be some additional vaccines sent to Yuma County.
Rogers says the clinic is vaccinating 20 people a day. That equates to 2 vials a day, but they are fully prepared to vaccinate patients on a larger scale if and when the supply meets the significant demand.
We have moved on to Group 1B, but we have only been able to focus on individuals that are 75 or older.
Because vaccines are already allocated to patients with appointments, no-shows are a serious problem. With approximately 10 shots per vial and the short time allotted for injection, just one missed appointment can lead to waste of the already limited vaccine. Anyone who is already scheduled to receive the vaccine but is not sure they can keep the appointment should call their medical provider immediately. Rogers is hopeful that the county receives more vaccines soon.
We're hopeful that we're going to start receiving vaccine in large quantities, and that's thousands at a time. And then that way we can, we can really get after getting patients vaccinated.
As COVID vaccine information is quickly changing, you can find regular updates at kyma.com. Reporting in Welton, Arlette Youssef, News 11.
Arlette, thanks. And our local